If I had to say goodbye to Toothless, that would be pretty sad.
Some days it's hard to see.
Why couldn't I have killed that dragon when I found him in the woods? Would have been better for everyone.
So why didn't you?
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him and I saw myself. Wonder if Toothless ever misses me.
Scary idea, huh? One of our dragons might just one day go back to the wild?
You'd never do that to me, would you, bud? Take this out on me. Be mad at me, please. Just don't hurt Toothless. He was just protecting me. He's not dangerous. I know, bud. I wouldn't leave you either. No! Get away from him! Go on! Get out of here!
Now that's a king.
We can do this. You and me. It's one. None of this would have happened, and I mean none of it, if I had never shot down Toothless in the first place. I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted, I didn't think about what you needed. You've looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourselves. It's okay. I love you too, and I want you to be free.